Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you types of panties and their characteristics with names. Bikini panty with stretchable lace provide full back coverage and are best worn under dresses and skirt, having a V-dip both at frontal and rear ends. The bikini ensure highly comfortable fit. The best pair of bikini with bralette, harem pant, skirt, pant, short, sari, petticoat, salwar kameez and palazzo pant. Kissed bikini style has scalloped trim, straps and cheeky kate style. This panty add bold fashion statement when you wear them underneath your cocktail dresses. It is best to pair with crisscross bikini tops, triangle bikini tops and cage bra. Chickster show a bit of bucket cheeks with chickster style panty. Butt booster are trendy padded panties that you can wear underneath your low-rise jeans. They are more of butt enhancer and are created keeping in mind comfort for the wearer. And best pair of the butt booster with the short fitted dresses, jeans, skirt, leggings and pant. One side knot Brazilian brief. The bottom of the bikini has adjustable single closer that can take care of your varying waist size with knot at one side, giving it a very perky look. Not Brazilian brief. The brief of the bikini has side thread to tie at both sides to give a sensual feel to overall bikini. Tap pants. Much like French short, tap pants have become lingerie wear, also known as side cut short. These are similar to French knickers in appearance. They are covered to pelvic area and upper part of the legs. Seamless panties. No other panties can beat comfort for seamless panty. No line are seen in the type and you can totally dive into vast collection. They provide the highest amount of comfortable when you wear them and they don't ride up at all since it almost bad inside. This style goes for all clothing. Bikini panty. This moderately covered panty which lies somewhere between the sexy tongue and the conservative brief flows perfectly sync with your everyday attire. These panty are ideal for physical workouts. Boy short. These are rectangle on the thigh. Unlike regular panty, they are almost similar to hip tears but have a lower cut leg. Classic brief, commonly known as granny panties. These provided maximum coverage and have a height waistband. These are one of the most comfy style. French cut panties. These are one of the most popular style and perhaps you have been wearing this all. These have height waist band as classic brief but have a lower cut leg almost at the widest part of the thighs, provided lesser coverage. Hip stairs. These are also called hip huggers as the waistband sit on the hips. These have low cut leg holes and sit lower than the waist. They still provide a lot of coverage and are super comfy. Tongs. This erotic style sit almost 3 inches below the waist and provided minimal but coverage with the rectangle patch at the front. This side of underwear rest almost on the hip bone. G-string. Very similar to the tongs. Very intimate G-string panty provide very less coverage. The front and back fabric directly connect to the waistband which is usually a small string. C-string. Extremely sexy and sensuous. C-string is new age swimmer and has been new age bikini for some time. Very famous with beaches. The C-string style actually has no strings and cover just a bare minimum like a clamp around your area. Full briefs are usually brief but have a tighter or elastic tummy line and cover almost up They are comfy and are worn to tuck your tummy inside for a smooth life. Adhesive panties are almost seamless and leave no panty lines. They are strapless and can be used. Hide your camel toe underneath your fitted pants with adhesive panty style. String bikini. A string bikini is rare and more relieving than the normal one. High waist brief. Give your plunging tummy support to look an absolute stunner with a high waist brief. This panty have a shaping power with the lightweight fabric. They are compression secretly tones and flattens to stomach region. Greater panty. The greater panty has detachable strap with it that allow to you wear underneath your sophisticated lingerie for the night. Made from bamboo stretch fabric, this panty provided requested support without squeezing too hard. They are specially designed to maintain the flow of your changing shape without become too hard on the skin. A must have for all mommies to be. This panty sometimes come with anti-odor specialist to keep you fresh all day long.